You wake up every morning. You immediately grab your phone. You hunch over a glowing glass rectangle. Your thumb just scrolls mindlessly, all while your real life waits outside. Deep down, you feel the sheer exhaustion of living in this digital world, because the very apps designed to optimize your day are actually stealing your time. In this high-stakes game of modern productivity, we've treated our relentless focus for a series of dopamine-fueled notifications that lead absolutely nowhere.
You are currently living in a beautiful digital prison. Every single click is a lost moment. Your focus is being sold to the highest bidder. For 15 years, your digital life has been completely trapped. You've surrendered your most valuable asset to tech corporations, willingly giving away the very attention span required to build your own wealthy empire.
Think about your routine. You unlock that heavy smartphone. You stare at a flat display for hours. This constant clicking creates massive friction with reality. 1. You are literally forced to adapt to rigid software grids, which is an exhausting 15-year trap that keeps you tethered to a wall charger while the vibrant, dynamic real world passes you by completely unnoticed. 1.
Are you losing the battle for your own attention span? Your brain is completely exhausted. It's tired of the endless noisy notifications. This constant digital tethering is simply not how a high performer lives. You can't dominate your industry if you can't focus. While the masses remain perpetually buried in their digital feeds, a new class of elite individuals is breaking free from this traditional smartphone era.
Look, the technology landscape is undergoing a massive silent shift. We're finally moving away from the era of handhelds. You are entering the age of ambient AI hardware. These are tools that don't rely on the apps you hate. By the year 2026, technology is finally learning to adapt to your natural human behavior, allowing you to keep your eyes up and stay connected without a screen.
Let's dive right into our first big shift: smart AI glasses. This is the first step toward a visionary interface. They look exactly like your everyday, stylish spectacles, but these glasses actually project the digital world directly into your vision. They represent a total paradigm shift in how you process information, stripping away the friction of handheld displays to give you a seamless, hands-free connection to your environment.
These devices are packed with advanced multimodal AI microchips. They feature built-in cameras. They have open-ear speakers. It's basically like having a genius whisperer right in your ear. You're navigating the physical world with a digital brain. Instead of pulling out a phone to search for answers, the hardware sees what you see and hears what you hear, instantly processing reality on your behalf.
Imagine taking a walk down a street in Paris. You look at a beautiful historical monument, a subtle voice in your ear instantly explains its history. You look at a local menu written in French. Instantly, the inner lens of your glasses translates the text into English right before your eyes, allowing you to keep your phone safely hidden away in your pocket.
Directional arrows are projected directly onto the pavement ahead of you. 1. You experience complete, frictionless, hands-free interaction. This entirely replaces clumsy translation and navigation apps. You no longer need to pull out a distracting phone, which means this elegant solution allows you to keep your eyes up, absorbing the world around you while empowering you to stay truly present in every single moment of your life.
That brings us to our second shift: autonomous AI pins. This represents your brand new appless interactive companion. It's a completely screenless device that effectively turns your hand digital. The concept of a phone without a screen is now reality. By removing the visual clutter of traditional operating systems, these lightweight devices force you to interact with the world strictly on your own terms.
These lightweight devices magnetically attach right to your collar. They act as a powerful, voice-first computing interface. They completely bypass traditional operating systems and colorful app icons by utilizing a high-definition laser projector. If you need to see who's calling or check a message, the device simply beams that crucial information directly onto the palm of your hand.
Let's look at a really practical, everyday example. You hold a chocolate chip cookie right in front of the camera. You ask if it fits your daily fitness goals. You receive an immediate, accurate voice response, which might politely tell you to put it back on the plate. 1. Acting as a silent guardian of your daily routines. This pin analyzes the food, checks your health data, and completely eliminates the need for manual data entry.
This amazing technology eliminates separate software applications entirely. It operates seamlessly via natural voice commands. It removes the physical weight and visual distraction of carrying screens. 1. You literally just use your voice in your hands.
These autonomous pins allow you to move effortlessly through your daily routine without the endless, exhausting friction of typing, swiping, or staring down at a glowing rectangle. Now we arrive at our third and final shift, generative handheld assistants. These little devices are the true executioners of your tasks. They are standalone, pocket-sized hardware built specifically to fix massive digital friction. While standard smartphones are great at passively displaying content, these new assistants are designed to aggressively execute complex, multi-step digital workflows completely on your behalf. These powerful tools utilize advanced large action models. 1. They don't just answer simple questions like a standard chatbot. They actually understand deep human intent. They take physical control of web scripts to complete complex workflows. 1. By bypassing clunky user interfaces entirely, these models communicate directly with the back-end cloud to execute your commands with ruthless precision and unmatched speed.
You simply press a single button on the device. You speak your complex request out loud. You ask to book a window seat to New York, reserve a dinner table, and message your brother the itinerary. The intelligent device understands the context, navigates the various hidden booking systems, and completes the entire workflow loop automatically without you ever opening a single app.
On a smartphone, this exact task requires opening 3 separate apps. You'd waste at least 15 minutes just clicking through screens. A handheld AI assistant finishes it in under 30 seconds. This is the ultimate tool for a busy professional. Delegating your tedious digital chores to a machine gives you back your time, delivering the exact type of operational efficiency that the ultra-wealthy have always leveraged to stay ahead.
The era of the glass screen is finally coming to an end. You have the chance right now to be an early adopter. The necessity of carrying a heavy screen is fading fast. Standard smartphones will soon become nothing more than backup displays. Revisit this explainer as a tech evolves so you can stay ahead of the curve and join the elite who master their tools instead of being mastered by them.
As this massive shift approaches, you need to remember something absolutely crucial. The future belongs to those who keep their eyes on the world and their mind on the mission. The technology to free you is already here, but are you finally ready to put the screen down and reclaim your own mind?